President Muhammadu Buhari has solicited the support of United Nations member states for the President of the 74th General Assembly, Ambassador Tijani Muhammad-Bande, to actualize his vision. Buhari's message was conveyed by his spokesman, Mr. Garba Shehu, at a reception for the new General Assembly President following his inauguration in New York on the 17th of September.
The government and the people of Nigeria, we are extremely grateful to all of you, the PRs in the UNGA, for having got the confidence in our permanent representative, Professor Bande, for standing behind him and choosing him in a unanimous vote to lead the 74th session. This is a great honor you have done to our country, Nigeria. We are 200 million people. Nigerians are extremely happy with this. And to succeed, we expect that all of you would stand behind Ambassador Bande, support him so that he succeeds with his enormously important agenda.
In a brief speech, Muhammad-Bande reiterated his commitment to a close working relation with other country representatives in the Assembly to deliver on his mandate.
Once again state that the year ahead may be difficult, but our resolve to work really cooperatively with everyone to see that the agenda, as we have given in the vision statement, is advanced positively. I think that is our commitment. And we will give account of this presidency, which is, as you know, an African presidency.
Wife of the President, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, represented by Dr. Hajo Sani, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Women Affairs, presented an award of honor to Muhammad-Bande.
I have the honor to present to our brother a special congratulations from Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammadu Buhari, the First Lady of Nigeria.